Hi everyone, welcome back to Teaching Bee. So today we're working with one of the questions that I keep getting asked in my social media is how do we multiply using decimals? Where do we move the decimal places for our answer? And then how do we add or subtract using decimals and why are they different? So let's go ahead and get into it. I went ahead and did a multiplication problem. I did one of them that we have a decimal and a whole number, and then I did another one where we have the decimal place and it's in different areas of our place value. So let's go ahead and do the one on the left. So we have 2.4 times 5. And we're going to go ahead and simply solve. So we have 5 times 4 is 20. And then we have 5 times 2 is 10 plus 2 more is going to be your 12. So from here, our answer is 120, but we're working with decimals, so our answer is not complete yet. We need to know how many places does a decimal move over to make the number a whole number. So to make 2.4 a whole number, we have to bring our decimal place over one time. Our 5 is already a whole number. There's always an invisible decimal right there. So we have 0 spaces to make it a whole number. So all in all, we have one move that we did. So in our answer, it starts as a whole number, and we are simply going to move it over one spot. So our answer is going to be 12. Or if you want to keep and use your decimal places, 12.0. Alrighty? So let's go ahead and do this problem and solve. So we have 3.67 times 4.2. And you can go ahead and solve and get ahead of me if you like, or pause the video. But I do have 7 times 2, which is 14. 6 times 2, which is 12, plus 1 more is 13. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 more is 7. We're going to fill in a 0 for our ones place because we're in our tens. 4 times 7 is going to be 28. Whoa. 6 times 4 is 24, plus 2 more, 26. And then we have 4 times 3, which is 12, plus 2 more is going to give you 14. So then from there, we're going to go ahead and add it down. So we have 4, 11, we have 14, 15, 16, 5, and 1. So our answer is 15,614, but we're not done yet. So, I did some math wrong there. Can you spot my mistake? Let's re-add this. Where is my mistake? So 4 plus 0 is 4. 8 plus 3 is 11. 7 plus 6 is actually 13, plus 1 more, which is 14. 5, 1. There we go. That looks much better. Whew. So now we have 15,414, and now we need to figure out our decimals. So we have how many places to make it into a whole number over here? It was 2. How many places for this number to make it into a whole number? It had to go over 1. So in total, we moved 3 spaces. So we're going to take our number down here. It ends as a whole number. We're going to bring it in 1, 2, 3 places. So our answer is 15.414. All right? Woohoo! So that's for our multiplying and division. Now if we wanted to do addition or subtraction using decimals, that we need to line up our decimals. We're no longer doing how many to get to a whole number. So if we did, 2.4 plus 3.6, we're going to want to take our decimal places and line them up together. So we have 2.4 and 3.6. So if we were to go strictly straight down, we'll have a point here as well. And now we can go ahead and add. So we have 6 plus 4, which is 10. And we have 3 plus 2, which is 5, plus 1 more, and it is 6. So our answer is 6. Or if you want to keep it with your decimal 6.0 is correct as well. What if we did it where we have our decimal places, but they're in different place values? So say we have 2.4 plus 36.72. Now we have our decimal places kind of a little wonky. Well, we still want to line them up. So we are going to do 2.4. We have 36.72. You can always fill in with zeros if you like to make it easier visually. And now we have all our decimal places lined up. We can go ahead and add across. So we have 2, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have 6, 7, 8, 9, and 3. So our answer is 39.12. And that is the same case for both addition and subtraction. Alrighty? If you have any other questions, please place them down below. I'd love to answer them and throw it into another tutorial. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up if you like it. It keeps us in contact with some more fun problems, or if you just like to have it as a refresher. As always, have a great day.